Hey guys, I'm hitting you with another tech video today. We got the Turbosmart 60mm E-Gate. So this is the Gen 5 WG60 Powergate electronic version in black. This is the TS-0555-1502. When you open it up, there is a sticker, a little business card that tells you where to get instructions, and a spanner wrench. So the spanner wrench also has like a, I think it's 3/8" drive in the middle of it. So if you want to hook that up to a ratchet, you can. Makes it nice. So this is what's inside. We have the wastegate itself. So that's the gate. It's absolutely massive. And then there's also, obviously, this is a piece that goes right in there that seals the valve. I believe you call it like a fire ring or a seat. And then it comes with the V-bands as well. So that's the whole setup, and we're gonna push that box aside. Okay guys, so I stripped the wires back a little bit so you can see the colors. The red and black big wires are basically motor A and motor B, so that would be, it's basically designed as like a stepper motor, I believe. And so we're actually gonna run 2 yellows to each of these to take the current load. So we have, say, like yellow 1 and 2 going to red, yellow 3 and 4 going to black, and then on the other side we need the little red goes to a 5-volt positive sensor voltage, the black goes to a sensor ground, the orange is your temperature, temperature of the internal temperature of the gate, and the white is your position. So the white would be like your feedback to, you know, let it know where it is in the, how far open it is. And then there's also, if you're doing any sort of circuit racing or a lot of street driving, there's also a water input or water inlet and outlet that will help cool the inside of the wastegate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up the orange when I start driving it, and if it starts getting too hot, I am going to hook up just some relatively small coolant lines to this, probably -4, see how that does. And I'm sure that's enough to cool it off quite a bit. So that's the gate. We're gonna try and get it on relatively soon, since we only have about, I think we're down to about 45 days, working days left before Texas 2K. So, and actually we're only working the car for 3 days of each week. So we are cutting it close, but this is the 60mm Powergate electronic model. So I hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned. We're going to do another video on the actual software side when the firmware is released. I'm hoping that the firmware is released in the next probably 30 days, and we could show you how to set this up in the Fuel Tech software, but this is what you get in the box. So obviously fire ring goes in, V-band goes on, and the other V-band for the outlet.